on. So I got my DRP thing on. I took off the rubber one, and I'm gonna go get the box so we can start doing this. Okay, so we got this. We took it off. So now we're gonna try to take. I already put that one on. I'm gonna take the intake LBZ horn or whatever, that because we can see all the oil in it. It is very, very dirty. But yeah, we're gonna get that, and I just found out a lot of this stuff's coming out right here. It's leaking. I don't know where you can see it. Yeah, you can see right there. It's leaking all over the thing. So I'm glad I'm taking this thing out. Probably that's why it's covered all in soot. Okay, so it's gonna be a little bit harder than I thought, but we're gonna do this. To get to this piece, take off the intake tube. Well, that's gonna work. Should just come off. Let's see. There we go. And then here's this side. It's right there. Where's my hand? There we go. It's just that. Take off that bolt right there, and it should just come off and go over there and put the fitting in. So this bolt on this side is a 10. Kind of a weird angle, but there we go, it's coming off super easy. Don't want to drop anything. And then I'm going to take off this thing. See what this one is. I don't know if it's going to fit. I'm going to need a wrench. Dang it. Okay, so now I got all that out. I literally just took my pipe off, and wait till you see this. It's pretty bad. Let's see if we can get this off the stand. But in there, sorry. Come on, focus. Just covered. I'm gonna clean that all out, but you can tell how bad this thing is. Focus. Just wet, very moist. It's covered. All dripping everywhere. It's crazy. It sucks. Who knows what else is going on in there? But we're gonna clean it up, and then hopefully nothing happens or see more stuff. But yeah, here we go. So we got it. It's gonna come out now. It's just covered in oil. Hopefully you can see that. But it's all wet everywhere in there. It's not a good sign. Sucks. Well, yeah, now we're gonna take this thing off and clean it and get all the oil out of everything. If we can. I shouldn't have to burn my shit. Okay. Well, let's get that out of there. You ready to see why you need to do this? Let's see. Look at that. Just covered only right from right here to here. It's bad. You should see inside. It's just covered because it was leaking everywhere. So I'm gonna clean it now. a flip, man. Holy shiz. This sucks. Okay, so right now I took the thing off, and so then now I'm just cleaning this out, making sure that there's no water in it before I put in it and then put the thing back on. But I couldn't get everything off, but it looks a lot better. There's both of them in now. Just putting the air thing in so that, you know, it dries up the air. We're gonna start cleaning up the turbo. All in there. Try to clean that all up. That's like covered in everything. All the oil. And I'll put everything back together. So I got the new fittings in. They're right there. And then over. Let's see where that's at. Right there. So now what we're gonna do is put the hose on here, and then like the T. And I tried getting the most of that stuff off. I'm not gonna do it tonight. I gotta clean it more, but it looks good, better. That looks a lot cleaner. But yeah, and then we'll run it that way. So I'll show you the final product in a minute. Okay, so we got it on. I just gotta do zip tie it, but yeah, just went through there. Might need to cut this part, but went to there, boom, and then there, and then went down to the wheel well. Where's it at? There, down there. So yeah, super easy, not that hard. Well worth it. You need to do it so you don't have this huge mess of oil everywhere. But yeah, there you go.